Hey there YouTube, it's the Florida Frugivore. It's still hard to say that fluently, but yeah, I just thought I'd make a really quick video showing you guys what I just did to my soursop tree. I gave it a haircut. So all of the fruit from this season has, been picked, harvested. So I'm just going ahead and I already gave it a haircut. I'll show you what it looks like now, and then I'll show you a picture at the end of what it looked like about 2 weeks ago. All right, so there's the pieces that I cut off, the limbs that I've cut off, and the tree looks like that now. Okay, and the reason we do this is because we don't want to have to go up on a ladder up to the highest rung and have to, risk our lives to get fruit. And we'd rather not wait till it falls to the ground, so yeah, I'll probably do a little trimming too. Anything that's kind of going down is also probably going to get trimmed. Just something you should remember. I always try to do this, but I always soak the blades, or whatever's going to touch the limbs. I always soak that, or just clean it with alcohol. So like rubbing alcohol, just to kind of cut down the possibility of any diseases being transferred from one plant to another. I haven't always done that, and I can see why it's a good thing to do. So I'm pretty sure I transferred either black bacterial spot or anthracnose to a lot of my mangoes earlier on, years ago, just because I didn't do that. And had I known, I could have possibly saved myself a lot of trouble. So just make sure you do that, and yeah, hopefully it'll bush out a little bit more and not get super tall, but it will. I mean, eventually it is going to get really tall, but it's going to delay it. So there you go.